How to fix computer beeping and won't turn on. Long press to shut down computer. Ready things to use: screwdriver and eraser. Open the computer using screwdriver. Remove the RAM in the memory slot. Use the eraser to clean RAM front and back. After cleaning, put the RAM back in the memory slot. Choose the blue memory slot. Install the RAM in the second slot. Press it hard to lock. Now let's try it on and check if the beeping stopped. The beeping stopped and the computer turns on. You did a great job. I hope it helps. Kindly hit subscribe button for more.